Well, hi everybody. I've got a tin of peeled potatoes which have been cut in half, tin of carrots, tin of chickpeas, a jar of whole button mushrooms, a jar of chopped tomatoes. This is a mixed jar of various peppers and a Madras curry paste. Sorry it's at such a weird angle, but my tripod is very strange in that it doesn't like, it has a set position. It's most annoying. Okay, so this is one chopped onion, which we will fry until it is softened. This is another one of my homegrown onions, and boy, I am stood here crying. Oh, very potent. I don't know whether onions are very potent at the start of their life and then they get less potent as they age. Okay, we'll come back when that's softened up a bit. Right, so that has softened up, and I'm going to put in what's left in this jar of Madras. You can use any curry paste you've got. I like to buy curry paste simply because you don't use the whole jar every time you want to do something. Right, let's just cook that a little bit. I'm going to add potatoes. The mushrooms. Peppers. And then I've just rinsed the jar out a little bit. Maybe half a cupful of water. In go the tin tomatoes. Now you can have this as a relatively dry curry, or you can have it as a nice wet one. I want to have some sauce. So I will also add half a can of water from the tomatoes. So as you can see, it's going to be an all-in-one curry. I'm using the chickpeas to give us a bit of protein, because obviously this is meat-free. Not because I necessarily want it meat-free, it's just due to the cost of meat nowadays. You're eating far more vegetarian recipes. So I'm going to bring that to the boil, and we'll cook it for 30 minutes or so and then check back on it and see what it's doing. Right, 30 minutes has elapsed. The only thing I've done since you were last here is added one stock cube. I've used beef just to give it a bit of depth of flavour. Now I have not got any coconut cream, so I'm going to put in natural yoghurt. Don't have to do this, but because I've used Madras, I've used just a little bit too much, and it's pretty darn strong. So I'm hoping this will just tone it down a little bit. Now, as you can see, we have made a really big pan of this. So I just want to warm this through gently. I don't want the yoghurt curdling. That is natural Greek yoghurt that I put in. It's nice and thick. Looking yummy to me. Let's just give that a taste. Looks almost like a korma now. Is it a korma or whatever? That's very creamy. Oh, that's lovely. I will just get that served up and then I'll be back with you. I think the other thing I'm just going to do, as it's cooling down, is sprinkle in some sultanas. So I do like a little edge of fruit. Nice little. And we'll let that cool down. There you go. One lovely bowl of store cupboard curry, steaming away, ready to go.